Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my video, for choosing to spend a couple of minutes with me on today. I am so glad you're here because today we're gonna do another nail video. I haven't done one in a while because I have been letting my nails breathe. To my press-on nail salon. Today we are going to be doing my press-on nails. Y'all know that every now and again I like to do my nails and I don't go to the salon to get them done. So that is pretty much what you're about to see me do today. I am first going in because I'm jumping right into this video with some rubbing alcohol because you know I like to start with a very clean surface. So we are going to do the rubbing alcohol just to make sure everything is nice and clean, and that just gives us a nice surface to adhere our nails to. So after I've done that, I really don't need to clip my nails, but I'm going to because for some reason I don't like my natural nails to get like extremely too long. It is such a weird thing. Like all women want their nails to get long. When mine get long, I just start biting them just so they won't be too long. I am going to go ahead and clip them. Yeah, it would be nice if I just went ahead and like, you know, got the whole nail polish thing going on, gel nail polish, because I know my nails can probably grow to a nice length where those would look so nice on me. But I always bite them off if they're my real nail. Well, I don't really bite them off until they grow to a certain length. It's the weirdest thing ever, y'all. So just bear with me. We are going to clip the nails. See here, I have a couple of different styles already laid out, and that's what we're going to be going with. I have my nails cut down to my desired size. The next thing I will do is just go in and file them down, and I'm not even going to bore you with me filing my nails, okay? So as always, you'll get to see that I'm using Kiss products. I actually got my nails from Dollar Tree and I got the glue from Walmart for about $2. So $2, $3, $4. We're gonna get a full set for $4, y'all. And pretty much I am going in with the Kiss PowerFlex nail glue. It says that there's a precision tip. So we are going to, you know, be getting the best. And I'm gonna, y'all, I have to clean up. This is my house, so please don't judge. So yeah. We have our glue, Power Gel Precision Nail Glue. So we have that. And then as always, y'all, you have to size out your nails. Typically, I would do this off camera, but just so y'all can see, that is going to not happen right now. We're gonna do it on camera. And I learned a tip from Aina. She said something about going, you know, a little bit lower than you would be accustomed to. So if you found like the perfect fit, she said something about like going a little smaller. So I'm going to take that tip because she knows what she's talking about, I would assume, right? So yeah, when I find the perfect tip, that is not the one. I want to size down according to Aina. So I went to my normal thing, and that's a short natural nail, and pretty much it's time to apply these babies. Hopefully you can see right here. You can probably note why they called it a precision glue. They have like this ultra skinny tip, and I guess that's just so you can control it better. And y'all know me, I do not do the whole being stingy with the glue. So I'm actually only being a little extra careful because I'm on a couch. I don't want the glue on my freaking couch. So I don't know if you can see this, but we're gonna go in because I've already got my nails how I need them to be. And y'all know what it is. Y'all know what time it is. Press firmly down. Nice and firm. Y'all, this almost is a look, but let me just go ahead and scoot through the video, honey. I think I'm gonna love these, y'all. I'm actually over here smiling and I have one nail on, I'm smiling. Okay. If these look like yes for $1, why does it want to rain on my parade, literally? I think I'm so here for them so far. It's crazy because these are like a matte finish. So what I am seeing that I don't like is that I can maybe see like glue bubbles through the nail beds. So I don't exactly like that, but I have to consider the fact that I chose to go to Dollar Tree and get some matte color nails. So, you know, I can't really say too much. Unless I also could be applying it incorrectly. That is giving me that issue as well. Oh gosh, y'all. I love how they look. I just don't want to see the glue bubbles. But y'all, this is literally, I think I can deal like for $1. Like, let's just say I went someplace that I needed to have maybe some nails on, and I just needed them so my ugly nails wouldn't be out. I think I could do this and like paint over them, because like I said, I don't like the way the air bubbles are showing. But y'all, this is it. And even from far away, y'all can't tell. These look like a nice, beautiful set of nails. So I'm gonna go off camera and come back in just a moment, okay? So I just wanted to come back on and show you the nails, and I just wanted to give it a little contrast or something, just so you could see how nice and beautiful neutral nude nails look, especially when they're short. They're super professional. But yeah, these are my nails. I did do a bit better on this hand than the original hand, but for a $4 nail set, this is not bad, y'all. This is not bad. It was user error on these nails. But y'all, look at how beautiful my nails are. I hope you like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and tune into another video. Share this video if you like it. Bye.